Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the other storage on your Android phone so you can actually free up some storage space. So I have my Samsung phone right here. I just want to swipe on down from the top right and go to Settings. Then scroll on down to where it says Device Care. So we can find under here Device Care right here. And this is going to give you a breakdown of pretty much all your storage on your phone. So we can go to Storage right here. And then we can just see this. And it's going to give me a list of, like apps and images, videos, and we can go to show more right here. And just wait for this to calculate. It might take like 5 to 10 seconds. But the cool thing is if you got duplicate files like photos or images or something like that, you can just go to this section and it will show you which ones to delete so you don't have to have a bunch of different copies. Same thing with large files. And then if you go on down, you can archive apps. It'll give you that suggestion. Review installation files. You can clear the trash right here. If you have any unused apps, you can delete them. It'll give you suggestions for that. And then here's the breakdown. So if I have way too many images, it will tell me. So if anything is GB, 1 gigabyte, that means it's super big. If it's under that, it's MB, that means it's a smaller file. So right here we have 17 GB for my apps. So I have 17 gigabytes worth of apps on my phone. And I can go and just go through the app section and delete those. So just go through the different suggestions on here. The larger the number for GB, you'll probably want to focus on that the most. And if you do have an SD card plugged in, you can just swipe to the right and you can see your SD card files in here. So I have a bunch of large files in here and there are a bunch of video files, it looks like. So just go through here and do the suggestion. Also, if we back out, we can see the memory in here. We might want to go into the memory and just hit clear or clean up memory right here. And it's going to go ahead and close down these different applications. And it should make your device run a little bit quicker. And if you haven't restarted your phone in maybe like a week or two, make sure you're restarting your phone every other day so the apps in the background close. Now under the main settings menu here, we want to go on over to apps and we can do the same thing. We can just go through our different apps, app list, and we can just delete the different apps that are too large. So we can go to sort by, go to size, and anything large will appear on the top. So I can see Google Play Services. Facebook should be much larger than it really is, I think. So you can just go through your app list and start deleting things. Also, if you go up from the bottom, go to Files, just like this. You can go to Files or My Files, depending on your version. And then you can see your images, videos, and stuff under here. It'll break it down by different categories. And you can do the same thing in here if you want to sort by size. And you can look at your largest files, and you can just delete them. So 1.5 gigabytes for a video file, that's pretty big. If you got like 10 of those, that's going to be taking up quite a bit of space. And then you can do the same thing for your downloads, recent, or anything else through here, and just start deleting them. So if you go to the images, I believe if you hold down on it, if you want to delete all of them, you can just hit right there, and then you can go to delete on the bottom right here. So just clean up the storage space on your phone by doing the suggestions and going into files, and then make sure you delete your trash here too once you delete everything, because it's still not deleted from your phone for 30 days when you put it into the trash bin. So you need to delete that now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.